How to easily fix the baseboard. I'm using the white wood filler and sanding blocks. First tip, layering. I'm using the white wood filler because my baseboard is white. You can also choose other color if you prefer. I'll recommend you to prepare a pair of gloves when you're fixing your baseboard. For me, I'm using my hand directly without wearing gloves because I found I did a better job like this way, and also I can feel the bumps easier. The first tip I learned by fixing my baseboard is to do it layer after layer. After I put a layer of wood filler, I waited for a minute or two before I sanding it down with my sanding block. You can see I'm putting the second layer at the same spot after I sanding it down, and then I'm using my finger to patch out the shape I wanted, and I waited for a minute or two before I sanding it down again with my sanding block. So just repeat this process until you reach the shape you want. The second tip, wait. What I've learned from fixing my baseboard is that you do have to wait before you sanding it down. Otherwise, the wood filler that you just put on will be smeared on your sanding block instead. Tip 3, take your time. As I mentioned, fixing the baseboard will take some time. You'll have to do it layer after layer, and also you have to wait. As you see, I repeated the process multiple times in order to recreate the curve of my baseboard. It takes time and patience for sure. If you find the video is useful, please click the like button to let us know. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.